how to enable dark mode in Google Chrome browser. Launch Google Chrome browser. Here click on three vertical dot against top right corner and go to settings, open settings. Thereafter click on three horizontal line against top left corner and here choose appearance. Here you will find theme. Click on it and here you will find under appearance, light, dark and device. If you want to enable dark mode on your Google Chrome browser, then choose dark, otherwise choose light, otherwise choose device. So you can easily change or enable dark mode in your Google Chrome browser. Now we will see how to enable dark mode in Microsoft Edge browser. Launch Microsoft Edge browser in your Windows 11 and 10 system. Here from the top right corner you will find three horizontal dot. Click on it and go to settings. Click on settings. Thereafter click on three horizontal line against top left corner and here you will find the option appearance. Choose appearance. Here you can see overall appearance, system, light and dark, three options available. If you want to enable dark mode in your Microsoft Edge browser, then choose dark, otherwise light and also available system. So you can easily enable dark mode in Microsoft Edge browser.